Open the aerial, taking my eye out. Hi there, and welcome to Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for joining us on this episode and checking out the channel today. Right then, so if you haven't seen our other video, you might well be asking, what on earth is this? Well, this is the Firefox by, I think it's Sun Wind International, or also Sunrise as well is the other name on the box. Now I can't find a lot of information on this buggy, apart from it is a clone pretty much of a Tamiya Bigwig. I don't even know when this was released date wise, obviously it's after the Bigwig, but information seems pretty limited on it. Now if you haven't seen the other video I did on this where I talked about it and showed you inside it and everything, then what I'll do is I'll put the link as always in the description so you can go and check it out. But today we're just giving it a bit of a run. So we're here at Stanley Park in Blackpool and we're just going to give it a bit of a drive. As you can see, again, it's got a hard body shell on it, unlike the Bigwig, which is polycarbonate, but so it's got a hard body, so it is quite a weighty thing. Also as well, which is a bit interesting, is the battery tray there is, you undo this here, and again you have to undo that, and there's your battery tucked in there. Now I can only fit in a 3300 pack in here, and you can only fit in a 7.2 volt battery, unlike the Bigwig. You can get that 8.4 volt pack in there. Also under there is a little unit where you can put in 4 AA's, which is what you need to control the receiver, and I think it's the steering. So they're in there underneath that battery pack as well. Again, the Bigwig didn't really have that as such, unless you had a 4-cell little pack that you plugged into the receiver for it. Now again, if you take the body shell off, which I'm not doing again now, but it's got all full hobby grade electrics. These have Sun Wind on them, which I presume is the company, or the electrics company that did the radio gear. And the rest of it is very Bigwig looking, apart from there's no coloured plastics as such. There's no blue plastics, so you've only got the yellow on the CVAs, which I think are directly Tamiya may have supplied these shocks to look exactly like them that Tamiya would have used. And also the tyres as well. It's got the Super Gripper Racing on, and again, and I'm pretty damn sure that they are Tamiya tyres. Again, I could be wrong. And also someone told me as well, after a little clip I posted on my Instagram, that these wheels look like they're off the Nico Dandy Dash. Whether they are, I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, it is super like a Bigwig. I say you just cannot fit in that bigger battery. Also as well, it does come with just what looks to be a normal sort of 540 motor. It's got a blue end cap for some reason, and there it is. Now I say again, the Bigwig came with that Technigold hopped up motor, again because it's quite a weighty thing. This doesn't, so it's running on a 540 and I say just a normal 7.2 volt battery pack. So I think it's quite, with the weight, it's not going to be overly quick, especially when you get it on some grass. Anyway, it's quite an interesting thing. I've never seen one of these before, ever. I came across it accidentally while typing in Tamiya clone on eBay. And again, this came from Italy in the end. Anyway, if you guys and girls out there have got any information on this that I'm not aware of, please let me know. I'd like to find out more about this. Is it something that Tamiya supplied a lot of parts to? I don't know. But there we go. I'm going to put it down and we're going to give it a bit more of a drive. Okay. Now, just in case you're interested as well, that is the handset there. There you go. It says Sunrise International Incorporated, made in Taiwan. And so it's Sunrise International. I presume that's the company. And then Sun Wind Electronics did all the radio gear for it. I don't know, it's hard to decipher really. Right, okay, we'll give it a bit of a drive. It's not going to be the fastest thing in the world, but it's not bad. Sounds a bit tractor-like, doesn't it? Nearly ran over my daughter then, I didn't mean to do that, sorry. Casualty of war. Yeah, it sort of feels like the battery and the car is struggling a bit, but it's alright. I think, yeah, a bit bigger capacity battery and a bit of a more powerful motor would really help with this. But again, this is, you know, it's a clone car, so this is what came with it. But yeah, if anyone does have any info, I'd really love to find out a bit more about it. I find these things really interesting, really. I bet it's getting warm now. I bet the motor's getting warm. Right, we'll just bring it up there and then we'll bring it back. I tell you what I'm surprised at as well, but I don't think this has had much use. That this is running on all old school 27 megahertz radio gear. It's even running off a mechanical speed control in here, and I'm using it, and I've had no problems with loss of signal, any problems with range or anything like that. I'm quite surprised that it all works well like that. Anyway, there it is. I've got it more dusty and grassy now to sort out when again, but there it is. That is the Sunrise Firefox, which is a very bigwig like. Now what I do forgot to say is, if you want to get access to your radio gear inside with this one, there's no clips. You literally have to unscrew the body, 2 screws there, I think there's 2 in there, unscrew those 4, and then you can get access to all the electronics, which is what I should have mentioned before. But there you go, so it's a bit of an oddity, that one. I think that's cool. I love finding stuff like this. So yeah, we'll leave that one for now, and I hope you enjoyed seeing that run about, and it's cool. Right, alright, cheers for checking out this video.